Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Marie. In today's episode, we're making our second stop in Belgium. We'll be exploring everything the small town of Dinant has to offer, from cliffside castles to caves, and of course, Belgian treats. Ready? Let's get started.
We are in Dinant and we're gonna kick off the day by visiting some caves. They are called Grotte Merveilleuse, and we'll see some stalactites and stalagmites, and we'll try to get some good footage for you guys so you can see what the interior looks like. But we're just approaching the entrance right now, so let's go explore the caves. I believe this is from 200 million years ago. Not sure. It's wet, right? Shoes were a bit cold. What is great is that it's a self-guided tour, so you can take as much time as you need. It was 10 euros to get in, and the person at the counter told me it's about a 40-minute walk. But really it depends on how fast you're going. Ooh. Swim. It's kind of creepy at the moment because I lost the people in front of me and now it's just me in these caves. And I'm sure there are bats and creatures. That's cool. Like the big ceiling. So they call the cave behind me Indiana Jones cave, and it's pretty amazing. You'll see why. Almost tripped. Was worth it. It was I've never seen a cave like this. It was huge. And on both sides you can go up some stairs and you get a great view of the whole cave. I was waiting for Batman to come. He never came. And this tunnel, so the red tunnel was built, I believe in 1934. So this was not original to the caves. I heard it was built in honor of the king when he passed away. I think King Albert. That's what I've been told. It was really good. I liked it. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Except for the little workout.
Except for the stairs out.
And I just heard the guide say that they were discovered in 1904 by accident. Here's another fun fact for you. That's our view for the next 45 minutes. And our tickets were 20 euros, and it included the boat tour and the Citadel that we see up there and the telepheric to go up. So for 20 euros each. The big rock we could see back there was the Rocher Bayard. And you can actually drive through it, but it's very tiny. The hole is tiny. I'm gonna try a cookie that's made here. It's called Couques de Dinant, and it's made with honey and flour, and that's it. Couques de Dinant. And they have them in various shapes, so I don't know which one I'm gonna get. So we're gonna try the Couques de Dinant that we bought a little bit earlier, and it goes back to the 15th century when they ran out of food. All they had left was honey and flour, so they made cookies out of it. Apparently it's very tough. It's very hard, so you gotta break it into small pieces or else you'll break a tooth. So break it in small pieces and then let it melt in your mouth. Break fish. It's not too bad. Let's try this. Yeah. You can't hide it. I'll get back to you in 30 minutes. We'll do a status check. I've actually managed to finish my piece and grab a second one. It's not too bad. Just gives you something to snack on for a little while if you're bored. So if you'd rather use the stairs to come up here, there are 408. I don't know if it's free. I'm sure it's cheaper than the cable car, but it's up to you if you want to go up the stairs. And now we're gonna visit the Citadel. The Bishop of Liège had the castle and the surrounding walls built in 1040 to protect Dinant and the bridge. They could fit 400 soldiers in here. Pretty impressive. They had a full kitchen, a bakery, dorms. This is very crooked. It's like I'm getting vertigo. Looks like we're in a ship. I have to hold on. Look at Carly. Well, this was definitely worth it. It also reminded me of the Citadel I visited when I was in Barcelona. So I feel you get a pretty good deal for 20 euros. You get the boat, then you get the cable car, and you also have a museum you can visit in the Citadel. I believe we've spent maybe an hour here, so highly recommend you do it if you're in Dinant. If you're wondering why there's so many saxophones all over the city, this is where Adolphe Sax was born in 1814, and I believe you can visit the house he was born in or he lived in, and there's also a bench with a statue, apparently some sort of museum, and it's free, so might as well have a look inside. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want to stick around, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.